Hey YouTube, Pokemon Studios 99 here to give you another unboxing video. Whoops, I just knocked all over my stuff. I cleaned off my desk and it's pretty cool. I put that plate out right there. But yeah, I'm giving you another unboxing video. It is a Gengar plush. I really like Gengar, so I wanted one and I got one. So yeah, let's open it. It's pretty small, but I still like it. Yeah, it's Gengar. Yeah, like I said, it's pretty small. I got it around for $5. I don't know if that was a good deal or not, but it was the cheapest one I could find. I'm hoping to get another one soon. I don't know what kind of Pokemon, but possibly Dragonite, because I like him too. So yeah, this was just a short, quick video. Today I finished filming all of the Turtwig's Team Blast episodes, so that is officially over. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.